Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Illuminate Wand LED light stick duo set. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Hit the notification bell to be updated of any new videos that we release. Drop a comment down below in the comment section your thoughts on the Illuminate Wand light stick. Also, drop a like on the video if this video has helped you in any way. Follow us on social media at Hypop and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Let's get into it. So I've got with me the Illuminate Wand Duo LED light stick kit with me here. It comes in this little nylon bag. It's not really the greatest quality bag, but it's a little nylon bag that packages up everything into one neat little package. So open this up, it's got two zippers, and at the top here we've got two white boxes, and we've also got two brown boxes there. Now firstly, in the white boxes, what we've got are two light stands. So these stands here, they're 200 centimeter light stands. They extend up, they've got two segments here. So you can see, you can extend it up all the way up to 200 centimeters. These are floor stands, so they're made to be positioned on the floor, and you can extend up each segment to the desired height. And these are 200 centimeters at its max height here. So these are perfect to mount the lights onto. Now, in the brown boxes here, we've got the actual lights themselves. Okay, so in this white box, it's inside the brown box here. What we've got is the power cable. It's a little adapter here, and it's got a little knob that controls the on-off switch as well as the dimming intensity of the light. And here we have the Illuminate Wand. So this Illuminate Wand here, it's quite a thin light, so you can see there it's quite thin. It's about 40 centimeters in length. You can see it's actually got a mounting point here for the light stand, as well as a sort of handle here. So they've got finger grooves there that you can actually use to handhold this light, because a lot of people tend to handhold this light as well. It's popular as a boom light or as a hair light, or used as a sort of rim light for your subject. And it also has a little tilt bracket that you can control the tilt of the light at 180 degrees here. So you can go all the way in one direction, up to the other direction there. So to mount it onto the stand, what you need to do is just loosen the knob here. Just make sure the screw is not obstructing the way of the mount when you're mounting it to the stand. And now you just screw to tighten, and that secures it to the light stand there. So you can actually lift it up. And there you have it. Now, running through the features of the Illuminate Wand LED light sticks, I've got a couple set up with me right here. And basically, the lights themselves have an output equivalent of 24 watts. There's a total of 90 pieces of individual LEDs on the light sticks themselves. The actual daylight rating of 5500 Kelvin is what the LEDs are rated at. So that means they have a natural daylight color temperature, and all your photos and videos will have nice and accurate colors. It also features a CRI rating of 90 plus. So the lights themselves are really easy to use because they're continuous lights. And what that means is when you turn them on, you actually see where the light falls on your subject before actually going to take the shot. They're dimmable, so you can control the actual intensity of the light. So that means you can adjust each of the lights to the desired intensity, whether you have one at a different intensity, on the other one, say it's stronger and one's a little bit less in terms of output, or you can have them both at the same setting, so that way you have even lighting on both sides. So some perfect uses for the Illuminate Wands would be using this as a 2-light continuous lighting setup for recording videos or for taking photos. In a lighting setup just like this, for our YouTube videos, we actually use a 1 or 2 piece lighting kit, so you can actually even just use one of these if you want to create a more dramatic effect, have a bit of shadow on one side and more light on the other. Otherwise, if you want more even lighting, you can have one on either side to be used for videos. You can use these as product photography lights. So if you have some sort of surface like a white table just like this, or if you have a photo table or a photo tent, you can use these as your main lighting source to light up your subject to take nice, clean product photos, especially if you have an e-commerce store or if you're wanting to display some products online. You can also use these as an additional light source for a complete lighting setup. So we have rim lights that we have positioned to the side of us here. We can use it as a hair light, which we'll demonstrate up on screen now. And another option would be to use it with a little desktop stand. So these desktop stands are optional. They're not included in the kit, but they're perfect to use as a desktop light as well. So if you're wanting to mount this on a smaller stand, and you can use it as a little desk light. Just make sure you have enough length and distance between the actual cable to the plug there and the actual light itself. But you actually can use this as a light. Perhaps you're using it for video conferencing, or maybe you're doing a self-taped video just in front of your computer. If you're seated at a desk, you can use this as a lighting source. You can also use it as an application light. So for people that are in the beauty industry, you can use this as a lighting source because it is natural daylight. So you will have nice and accurate colors in your photos and videos. Or perhaps if you're just using it as a light which you tilt down just like that as an application light. It's like a little lamp, and it's got that nice length there, so it actually has a nice wide throw onto a surface. So that was just a quick look at the Illuminate Wand LED Light Stick Duo Kit. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be updated of any new content and videos that we release. Drop a like on the video if this has helped you in any way. Also down in the comment section below, ask any questions that you have about the Illuminate Wands. We'll be happy to answer them. Follow us on social media at Hypop and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Thanks for watching.